What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be doing Goku Super Saiyan. I was looking through my Goku pictures and realized I never even did standard Super Saiyan Goku. So I gotta remedy that. So just a normal portrait Goku Super Saiyan yellow hair, right? So let's go. So we're gonna start landscape orientation page. You use a pencil always first, an eraser. You can go over with ink after. And we're going to start with that W. So center point of my page about here. We're going to go down because his hair is so big. So we're going to start with the W that Dragon Ball characters have normally, not always, in the middle of their face. Right? And then we'll do the eyebrow. Like so, like a tick. And then back up. And then we bring it down into there. And then we go the other side. So, tick, there, up, and then back down and in. Like so. Then classic Dragon Ball eyes, we got a small line here, diagonal, long line there. And then we bring it across. Like so. And then his iris, semicircle in underneath the eyebrow. Same thing on the other side, long line, small line. Join them. And then his semicircle iris. So the nose, letter L, and then the shadow, out, down to there. Mouth real close to the nose, so we just go across, down the side, down there. And then like a line for his bottom lip, maybe. And those cheek lines that Dragon Ball characters have. Something similar on this side. Like so. Nice chin. Pretty square chin. Like that. You can check proportions of things. So eyes to nose is about the same as nose to chin. There, the point of his nose, about the same as eyes to nose. So nose is halfway between eyes and chin. Bottom lip line is halfway between nose and chin. So here to here, nose to bottom lip line, about the same as bottom lip line to chin. Okay. So then, once you get that, jaw. Okay. Stop underneath just the corner of his eye there. Stopping about here and about nose-ish, mouth level, top lip maybe level, and then we go up the side. Okay. Like so. I went up further on this side because his hair a hair spike sticks in his head here, right? So we'll do that. So Goku's fringe. So it sticks in here, up, down to there. And we've got 4 of them that come across. So the next one comes across here, comes across his eye, back up, down to there. And then this keeps going up and around, like so. Okay, of course you can erase anything here, I'll do that in a minute. But anything that's like hair going over his head. So the next one, down here, back up, into here. And then we got some hairlines, so like sort of going this way and that way, and with some texture lines inside. And then the last one comes out here, out and down. Like so. You can see like some end of the eyebrow lines. And then his ears. Out, down, pretty big ears in Dragon Ball. They start in line with his eyebrow, and then maybe the middle of his nose. And then the other side, down like so. Ear ligament lines inside. So lots of different ways to do this. Dragon Ball does it different, Naruto does it different, One Piece does it different, Attack on Titan, every anime does it. It's kind of its own way, which is kind of interesting that they can do it so differently. All right, I'll just erase these lines then that we shouldn't see under his hair. Right, so then the rest of his hair. So we start with these small little spikes, back of his head. And we're going up like, kind of like a candle flame. That's what I always think of, right? So again, we start with small ones. And then we work our way up. Right. So, then next one, bigger. Like so. And then this one. And, right, so the big one's right here, like the massive one in the middle. Goes right up to the top of my page. And then goes back down into there. Another one here, there, and a smaller one here, down. Okay, so that's your general shape for Goku's Super Saiyan hair. I've seen it different ways, but in general, that's what you're looking for. So, and then he's got like two sort of spikes here in the middle. Here. This one kind of comes down over that one. I'll just erase that line. Went a bit too far with it. So now for Goku's hair, he's got, and Dragon Ball Super Saiyan hair in general, they've got like these texture lines all over. So you just want to like follow the sort of shape for each hair spike. Like this. And you're just going to add these to all of them. Okay, so I forgot as well, he has like these brow lines just here. Like so. And then we can move on down to his neck. So neck comes out from just the side of his head here, real wide neck. Kind of in line with his jaws, just there. And then we have another muscle line down here. And then trapezius. Like so. And coming out from his trapezius, we got his blue shirt. So that, yeah, comes down straight across then and up the other side. Like that. We got the orange sort of section as well. Right, and then in here we got like details like neck muscles, middle of his chest. Chest comes across. Like so. Another line there, another line there. Chest muscles. Another neck muscle. Neck muscle. Adam's apple. Fold lines on his clothing. Like so. And then his shoulders. So, bumping line out and then down that way. And then just bring it around for his shoulder muscle. And then we got some texture lines on his clothing. And the same thing on the other side. And I think that that's everything. That is how to draw Goku Super Saiyan. Can't believe I forgot about this. I thought I'd drawn all of Goku's forms. But yeah, just the obvious one. Okay, there you go. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.